Welcome to Montenegro.
Montenegro is a picturesque Balkan peninsula with diverse and beautiful nature. Situated on the coast of the Adriatic Sea, the country offers stunning views of mountains, lakes, and the sea. The Alps cover much of northern Montenegro, providing excellent opportunities for hiking and outdoor adventures. The highest peak in the country is Mount Dermitor, reaching nearly 2,500 meters in height and being part of the Dermitor National Park. There are also pristine lakes, rivers, and valleys, making it a true paradise for hikers and nature lovers. The coastal area of Montenegro is equally impressive, with the Adriatic coastline adorned with beautiful sandy beaches, cliffs, charming bays, and islands. One of the most famous spots is the Bay of Kotor, listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering enchanting views of the mountains and the sea. Montenegro's nature is also heavily influenced by the Mediterranean climate, which means warm summers and mild winters. It is a naturally rich region with diverse flora and fauna, where people can enjoy the beauty of nature year-round. Montenegro boasts incredibly diverse and beautiful landscapes, including mountains, lakes, canyons, and coastline. Dermitor National Park is a standout natural area, featuring majestic mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and scenic valleys. The Tara River Canyon is one of Europe's deepest canyons, offering breathtaking views and adventurous activities like rafting. Along the coastline, picturesque beaches like those in Budva and Kotor provide stunning vistas of the Adriatic Sea. Montenegrin culture is rich and diverse, reflecting the country's historical heritage and various influences. Traditional Montenegrin villages offer a glimpse into local lifestyles, including crafts, music, and culinary traditions. Montenegro is also known for its historic towns and fortifications, such as the Old Town of Kotor, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can wander through narrow streets, visit museums, and admire beautiful architecture. Montenegrin cuisine is influenced by Mediterranean, Balkan, and Italian culinary traditions, offering flavorful dishes with fresh seafood, vegetables, olives, and spices. Some traditional Montenegrin dishes include jagusi prosciutto and cheese. This is one of Montenegro's most famous dishes, consisting of smoked ham and local cheese, kakamak, a dish made of cornmeal and mashed potatoes, often served with cheese and local herbs, jaganjatina, traditional Montenegrin lamb meat, often grilled or roasted with spices. These are just a few examples of Montenegro's rich culinary heritage, providing a delicious and diverse experience for food enthusiasts. Welcome to Montenegro, a country you will never forget.